Final check on the main boom connection. Looks good, moving clear now. Roger that, diver's clear, beginning the lift.
All right, bring her down slow. Watch the tracks. Roger that. Steady as she goes.
Bring it down easy. Watch the guides.
Looks aligned. Hold position. Confirmed on the deck.
Roger that. Securing the load.
This counterweight is heavily damaged. We should prioritize getting this section restored first.
Agreed. I'll make a note on the tablet.
Look at this marine deposit right here. We'll need to replace this section. Yeah, the salt corrosion on the tracks is extensive as well. All right, lift slowly on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Clear on this side. Watch the wiring harness.
Okay, easy now. Let's set it down over here.
We need to clean this housing thoroughly before we install the new assembly. I'm putting the torque wrench on the final bolt now.
Keep it steady on the crane. All right, she's aligned. Send the pins through. Secured, we are good to go. This shaft looks good. Tolerances are perfect.
And the pin readings match the schematic. Ready for reassembly.
The hydraulics look solid, no pressure drops.
Tracks are smooth on the concrete. She's ready to go.
The new glass looks perfect, no scratches at all.
And the controls are fully calibrated. This cabin is showroom ready.